Entry from the kitchen, back into our room. Nice big king size bed. Love that. And they actually put a TV in here for us, which we don't usually have. It's nice. And big closet. And hello. Our bath. And we have a big garden too. And there you go. There's Dylan. Brushing your teeth? Oh, good. Bedtime, huh? Brush good. Good job.